I think at least Claude is confirmed, but we wanted to play this game called School's Labyrinth, and it takes place in a Japanese horror, like it's a horror Japanese school. And so, yeah. Is that why they turned you down? Oh, you know what, guys? Actually, the reason they turned me down... Okay, funny story. The reason why Vanta and Claude had me turned down is because I accidentally fell asleep in the call. And voice call. Because I was watching them play Overwatch 2, but I was kind of getting a little eepy, so I just went in my bed and I accidentally fell asleep. And so apparently I was snoring super loudly, and they couldn't take it so seriously during the Overwatch games that they were playing together, so they had to turn me down. Because apparently I kind of snore really loud. Like, surprisingly, as someone who kind of comes off as kind of like not so loud, I'm actually a really huge snorer, and I'm like a dragon. I'm told that I snore like a dragon, but maybe it's just because I'm always so sleep deprived all the time, so the snores just get so loud all of a sudden. I don't sleep silently, or, you know, I sleep really fucking loud. So that's why they had me turned down. They probably didn't say it though, just because it was, you know, about me snoring and stuff, so they probably didn't want to embarrass me or whatever, but I don't care. I don't care if I embarrass myself, it's fine, but but yeah, that's basically it. So I had to find out afterwards, because like I was wondering about that. I was like, guys, why did you guys turn me down? What happened? Did something happen? Was it because I was screaming too loud? And they're like, no, it's because you were snoring so fucking loud that one time you fell asleep. And I was like, oh, whoopsies. My bad. And the worst part is they didn't even disconnect me from the call. They just left me in there. They just left me in the Niji server, sleeping in the call until morning. And I woke up and I was like, no way. No way, they didn't disconnect me? You gotta be kidding me. That's so embarrassing. Yeah. So, Hazukashi, I would never... Oh, gosh. Like, what if somebody went in there, you know? Yeah. It's okay, though. I'm sure nothing bad happened, but... I'm running through the meadow. Flowers that speak to